Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut and sew this pocket pattern step by step. I'm going to give you the simplest step on how to achieve this. I know some of you are finding it difficult to get this pattern, but watch my video to the end. I'll show you secrets on how to achieve this desired pocket design. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment at the comment section. Please feel free to visit our channel. Every week we drop new tutorial videos. Alright, and share this same link on your social media account for others to see. The more you comment, the more YouTube show this video to others. Without further ado, let's go straight to our tutorial. Okay, this is our pocket piece. We'll use the width of 4 3/4 by 6 inch. 4 3/4 is the width, 6 inch is the depth. The gum stay is also of the same width and same depth. We're using gum stay for tutorial sake. The one you can use is collar stay to make it firm and give you a beautiful appearance. Next is to fold the pocket piece into two. Fold it into two to get the center part of the pocket. It is essential you do this. Please drop your comments. How do you want me to improve on my videos? Please drop it on the comment section. Give this video a like and don't forget to share this video on your social media. Go ahead and cut piece of fabric. The width is 3 inch. The depth is as long as you can cut. Fold it into two and insert a hemming gum into it as seen, and cut 1 inch. The width is 1 inch by 6. The depth, the longness is 6 as you have seen, and so I've cut down 8 of it. If you count it, there are 8. Also, likewise, the white fabric produce 8 of them as well, same measurement. As you can see, I've done my white design. All you just need to do is to place gum stain across it and follow the video. If you are confused on how I did it, please play the video over and over again. You will get it. Okay, just place a cloth on top of it and iron. Gives it a smooth appearance. Turn and cut the excess. The next step is to take the bottom part of your pocket design, measure 1 inch, and then draw a curve I've seen. Please, if you are confused, watch the video over again. You will understand. And this is the simplest way to achieve this pocket design. Alright, to get the other part is to cut the bias part of your fabric. Just the way you see it here, slant. Cut like 3 to 4 inch, and you sew by the side as seen in the video. Turn it to the other side. First of all, iron the part you've sewn, before turning it, and then iron properly to give it a neat and a nice appearance. Then apply hem stay or hemming gum at the edge to hold it firm. It's hot water if you have steam iron. You don't need to. It's hot water. It's just to press, and the steam will do that for you. Please iron properly for the appearance to be smooth and alluring. Go ahead, put the hem stay there to make the upper part firm. Make use of your cloth stay so that your pocket won't be too shiny. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has been of help to you, please click on like, drop a comment at the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye bye.